If you're also someone who dreads the new year and hates the new year, new me drama and gives up on your goals halfway through the year, then you have landed on the right video. Hi, everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the ones who are new here, I am Lake Uthaya, and this video is so rich in content. So make sure you check the link in the description. It includes my social media handles as well as certain products that I'm suggesting, as well as certain apps, and also a WhatsApp community that you can join to make sure you are on track for your goals for the new year. So make sure you go check all of that stuff out. Let's quickly get into the chapters. We have 5 chapters in this video, all of which is going to include how you should be planning, what are the mistakes you should be avoiding, as well as certain tools and techniques, and how to stay consistent throughout the year with certain recap and further steps. But before we go ahead, I want you to take out a pen and a paper because you are going to be taking notes for this. Let's go. Chapter 1, reflect, dream, and align. Step 1 of this chapter is to make sure you reflect on the year you have been through, given that you're seeing this in December. I want you to maybe go to your Instagram, take out the archives of your stories, and go all the way to Jan and just go through your entire year. Okay, I want you to write down one accomplishment or any highlight or any habit that you stuck to each month so that you also see the progress that you've made for the rest of the year. Very often than not, we are always setting our bar higher, right? Because of which we often don't go back and reflect on the good things. So this step is going to help you understand if there were any mistakes that you should be avoiding, if there are any habits that you should be continuing, what worked for you, what didn't work for you, what you want to carry to the next year, what you want to leave behind. And that will only happen through reflection. So make sure you have a Jan to December plan with one thing that you did really well and something that you're proud of in this year. एंड नेक्स्ट स्टेप में आप अपने गोल्स को इन 5 एरियाज में डिवाइड करोगे. आई डू दिस बिकॉज आई बिलीव कि इवन दो सोशल मीडिया एंड दुनिया अभी प्रोफेशनल ग्रोथ को बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देती है, बट प्रोफेशनल ग्रोथ हैज़ नो मीनिंग इफ यू आर नॉट ग्रोइंग इन अदर फैक्टर्स ऑफ योर लाइफ. सो दीज आर द 5 things you're going to divide your goals into. The first thing is going to be your body and mind goals. Health comes first, right? So you need to make sure what do you want to do with your body, if there are any meditation goals, any physical health goals, any supplements that you want to make sure you're including in the year. How do you plan on being healthy? The second is going to be your professional goals. Now in this comes your career growth, any promotions that you're looking at, any job that you're trying to switch into, any new venture that you're trying to start. And then comes your relationship goal, and in that you're going to make sure any bonds that you want to strengthen, any friend that you want to get back in touch with, how to make new friends, how to strengthen bond with your family, your parents, or with your partner to find love. All of this will come under your relationship goals. Then comes your financial goals. Here you're gonna add not just how much savings do you want, how much do you want to earn, but also how much are you planning to invest, and what are the purchases that you want to make, a new iPhone that you want to get, a new Chanel bag that you want to get. That is going to come inside your financial goals. And finally, we have our personal goals. In personal goals, you will be writing down any hobbies that you want to hold on to. A lot of times when we're kids, we have a lot of hobbies, but when we grow up, life ho jata hai, and because of that, we kind of let go of a lot of things. What are the hobbies you want to stay in touch with? कौन सी ऐसी चीजें हैं जिससे आप अपने आप को upskill करना चाहते हो, maybe your communication and etc. These things fall under personal growth. And in general, how do you want to become a better person and a happier person, which maybe don't align in all of this, will come in this. Now that you divided your pages into these 5 segments and you're writing down, a rule is to make sure that you write the wildest things, okay? But that doesn't mean you just like randomly say something that you don't really want in your heart. It needs to come from your heart, but probably things that if you say out loud, someone might laugh at you. Maybe something like, I want to buy a 5 BHK villa in Goa. And people will be like, what? Just finish your education now. Or maybe saying that you want to be the biggest Bollywood star, right? But these are things that you've genuinely felt for a long time and you think you have the capacity for it and the drive for it. You write these things down as well. What I want you to do is not be extremely practical in when you're writing these goals down. And I'll tell you in the next step how we can then segregate it. But for now, I want you to really look within and see what are the things you really want in your life and then write them down. Then what you have to do is segregate these goals. Now this is important, I'll tell you why. Remember I told you कि अगर आपका dream है 5 bedroom villa खरीदना, that could very well be a goal but might not be a short term goal. Short term goals are defined by anything that's 12 months or lesser, and long term goals are more than that. Okay, so after you've written all of the things that you want in these 5 segments, then divide it. Maybe losing 25 kgs in 1 year might not be the healthiest, right? But you can do that over a period of time. Maybe becoming the biggest Bollywood star might not be possible in the next year when your life is going in a certain way. So now segregate them. Just like take 2 colors and be like, acha, ye long term hua, ye short term hua. These are the things that I want to achieve in the next year and is 95% a possibility. And these are just wild aspirations that I'm going to think of, but keep it in my 5-year plan, in my long term plan. And another tip which I want to give you is make sure these goals align with your core values. Okay? Even if you're saying, I want to be a millionaire, but let's say that you don't believe in working 18 hours every single day and you don't believe in wanting to uproot your life and travel to business meetings every single day. Maybe that's not what you want, but maybe you're happy with traveling a lot more. Maybe you're happy with going into places and exploring places. Then you see, being a millionaire and traveling the world don't go hand in hand, because you know with a lot of money comes a lot of responsibility, and it takes a really long time for you to achieve that sort of freedom where you can let the money do work for you. So always make sure when you're also writing goals, keep this in the back of your mind. Does this align with my values? Am I writing this just because I saw this on social media, or just because I've been crazy about it for the last few months, or is this something that I really see myself doing? And then write those things down. The next step is to write a letter to your future self. And by future, I don't mean your 50-year-old self, the girl who's going to be reading this 1 year later. The reason is, एक चीज होती है goals को देखना, right? और उस imagine करना. दूसरी चीज होती है emotionally उसके साथ connect करना. So I am going to, for the first time ever on camera, read out what I had written in the end of 2023. Actually 2023 December में मैंने ये लिखा था for my 2024 end या फिर 2025 self. Okay. Hi Lake. You'll be reading this in 2025. I remember Rajat saying, Rajat is my brother, that I live in dog years, which means every year I live almost 7 years in one. 2024 has got to be the year you combine your Miss India year and PR Hub and Instagram and personal branding all in one. Whew. I hope you do incredible modeling campaigns and ad campaigns. I hope you give your TED talk and reach 300k followers on Instagram and 100k subscribers on YouTube. I hope you earn an easy 50 lakhs this year. I hope you take real good care of your mental health. I hope you finally learn to do your taxes. Lol, I did, by the way. I hope you consciously take time out to visit new places and experience new things. I did. Don't be too hard on yourself. May you give and receive love. May you meet amazing people. And may nothing that happens this year dim the shine in your eyes and the belief of seeing the best in everyone. May luck be by your side every step of the way. I know you have big dreams. Be careful what you wish for and hope you achieve them all. I love you and I know you're going to make me proud. Love, Lake from 30th December 2020. Coming to chapter number 2, what are the mistakes that you need to avoid that a lot of us do? Number 1, having goals that don't add up. Let's say आपको Prime Minister of India भी बनना है and आपको एक Grammy भी जीतना है for solo artist. ठीक है, even though you might have deep passion for politics as well as for music, इसका ये मतलब नहीं है ये goals align करती हैं. So which is why it's very important कि ऐसे vague goals आप ना लिखो. Very often than not आप खुद ही disappoint हो जाओगे जब आप देखोगे कि those things are not coming to picture. So make sure that they are not poles apart. The second one is lack of clarity. And by which I mean, I will show you. Like, I had made a vision board last year and I was so unspecific about it, which is why I feel like most of it didn't come true. Like, for example, I have money written, like pasted here, right? But I have not, what would be a better idea was to actually put like a bank account credited with so much amount to my account. Like, amount दिखना चाहिए, पैसे देख के आप क्या ही समझोगे, any amount of money is money, super unspecific, right? Similarly, like a TED talk, I've just put TEDx here. What would be wise would be to actually Photoshop a woman giving a TED talk and her face should have me. That would actually make it so much clearer what I want. Having very vague goals now just because it looks good and then making a vision board out of it or writing it down is gonna be of no use. And that's like something that I learned from last year. थर्ड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इज इग्नोरिंग द प्रोसेस. बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है कि वो अपने ड्रीम्स को एक विजन बोर्ड में डाल दें तो वो मैजिकली सच हो जाएगा. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. ऑफकोर्स यू शुड नॉट बी ऑब्सेसिंग ओवर इट एवरी सिंगल डे, लेकिन यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि यू टेक एक्शनेबल स्टेप्स. कि अगर आपको XYZ चाहिए, लाइक लेट्स से अ कार इज इन वन ऑफ योर गोल्स, लाइक Mercedes Benz, you take down the steps ना. ओके, उससे पहले मुझे क्या करना है, इतना कमाना है या फिर ये लोन लेना है, उसके लिए मुझे क्या करना है, बैंक अकाउंट खोलना है, उसके लिए मुझे क्या करना है, पहले एक जॉब मिल जाए सो दैट मैं वो लोन रीपे कर पाऊँ. तो जॉब के लिए मुझे क्या करना है, पहले मुझे अपस्किल करना होगा और मुझे लिंक्डइन पे अपना प्रोफाइल स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाना होगा या फिर नौकरी या मॉन्स्टर में अप्लाई करना होगा. उसके लिए मुझे क्या करना होगा. यू गेट इट. आप ऐसे जाओगे अपने गोल्स के साथ एंड यू वर्क ऑन इट कंटिन्यूअसली. It's not magic. It is a consistent process to reach something that you really want. Chapter 3, the tools and techniques you need to use to achieve your goals. One thing is to keep your goals on track, and for that, there are 2 planners that I would suggest because writing clearly connects to your brain and helps you remember things better. There is something called Tiny Change, and there is something called Factor Notes. I have linked both of these in the description. Make sure you go buy them. They are in the same price range. Both of them are very descriptive and will keep you on track every single day, and they're very cute and like have nice graphics inside. Factor Notes a little more, and yeah, you actually will have fun achieving your goals. The next thing would be to learn to use Google Calendar. My God, guys, instead of getting up every day and going through the day ki अरे एक और दिन हो गया, make your day purposeful by actually learning how to use Google Calendar. Every day I wake up and the first thing I do is open my Google Calendar, see what are the appointments I have, what does my week look like, and then get on with my day, rather than just floating through the wind just because the day has begun and you have woken up. I have linked a video which shows you how exactly you can use Google Calendar. Make sure अगर आप screen देख ही रहे हो इतने घंटे, make sure you use it for the right things. Another habit tracker that I would want to suggest is Android. I would like to suggest Habit Now, and for iOS users or for Apple users, I would like to suggest Streaks. Both of these are apps that you can download, and make sure you have habits written on it so you don't miss out on things on a daily basis. Because you know, right, अभी तक तो समझ जाना चाहिए कि एक गोल को पाने के लिए you have to break it down, and that starts on a daily basis. छोटे छोटे habits जो आप लेते हो, and these apps will actually help you. The next tip is weekly reviews. Every week के end में you should make sure आप एक Sunday लो, Saturday लो, and sit and be like, okay, क्या किया मैंने इस week में, क्या अच्छा कर सकते थे, क्या अच्छा नहीं गया, क्या change कर सकते थे. थोड़ा रीसेट करो अपने स्केड्यूल को. ओके, शायद मैं इस पूरे दिन थोड़ा लेट सोई इसलिए लेट उठी, जिसके वजह से सब कुछ लेट लेट हुआ और वर्कआउट के लिए टाइम नहीं मिला मुझे क्योंकि कॉलेज के लिए भागना था. तो लेट मी मेक श्योर इस नेक्स्ट वीक से मैं थोड़ा जल्दी सोऊं ताकि थोड़ा जल्दी उठूं. ये चीज़ें तभी आप रियलाइज कर पाओगे जब आप रिव्यू करोगे अपने वीक को. ये नहीं कि बस वीकेंड आ गया फैल जाओ, दोस्तों से मिलो, भूल जाओ, नेक्स्ट वीक आ गया फिर से चलने लगो. यू आर नॉट कैटल, right? Especially when you're watching this video, I know that you're someone who's ambitious. So make sure you actually review your weeks. The third tip is visualization and affirmations. ठीक है, your words have power. Affirmations का मतलब ही होता है कि आप अपने आप को देख के या फिर अपने आप से you've got this, you're going to have a great day, I'm going to choose to be happy today, I'm going to have a fantastic day ahead. Even if you've woken up in the groggiest mood and it's cold outside and you've slept late for whatever reason, you can always rewire your brain as well as visualize your goals, even if it's, let's say, winning a title, even if it's, let's say, getting that job that you wanted. You have to visualize it, feel it, close your eyes and take some time. I'll Let me convince you. You know how we as humans are the most intelligent species on the earth, right? पता है क्यों होता है? बिकॉज हम हमेशा न्यू चीज़ें सीखते हैं, अडेप्ट करते हैं. वाई डज दैट हैपन? देर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड न्यूरल pathways that is constantly created because when you visualize things, when you are exposed to new things, it increases the plasticity of your brain, जिसके वजह से certain neural pathways are created, and because of that you are able to get closer to your goals by building new habits. In fact, there is research that shows कि एथलीट्स एंड म्यूजिशियंस जब वो सोचते हैं ना कि वो ज़्यादा अच्छा करेंगे, लाइक माइकल फेल्प्स, द बेस्ट स्विमर, उसका उनके कोच ने भी बोला था कि ही एक्चुअली plays him doing the lap in the swimming pool multiple times before he actually goes in, so he's much prepared. So that is important, which is why you need to make sure you visualize your goals, not write it down somewhere and forget it. Let me bring out two characters that I had brought out in my previous video, how to be financially independent. Go watch that if you haven't already. Okay, and let's say this is Riva. Okay, Riva is completely overstimulated because she's seeing all these reels which are saying vision board successful हुआ, लोगों ने इतना कुछ किया इस साल में, and she's like मुझे भी बहुत कुछ करना है. बहुत सारी गोल्स वो एक साथ बनाती है. मुझे इतना वेट लूज करना है, मुझे इतनी जगह पे ट्रैवल करना है, मुझे इतना पैसा कमाना है, एंड सब कुछ एक साथ करती है. एंड वो बोलती है कि मुझे ये सारे गोल्स अचीव करने हैं, ठीक है. एंड वो विजुअलाइजेशन में बिलीव नहीं करती है. शी इज लाइक क्या है विजन बोर्ड वगैरह इज बकवास. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल से कि कुछ और लाइफ में रियलिस्टिक देखना चाहिए ना, ऐसे थोड़ी ना गोल्स बनाने चाहिए. नहीं, मैं इतना ही करूंगी, इतने पैसे मुझे मिलते हैं तो मैं इससे इस साल में ना एक ट्रिप शायद हो सके तो प्लान करूंगी, वरना तो यार टाइम ही नहीं है. वो बहुत रियलिस्टिक दुनिया में जी रही है. एंड लेट मी टेल यू गर्ल्स, to be able to achieve your dreams, you have to be delusional. Delulu is the only Solulu. Okay, I believe that 100%. I wouldn't have achieved half of the things if I was living in the realistic, practical world. Because let's be honest, nothing really is real, right? It's a perception of your brain. So why would you not perceive amazing things for yourself? Let's go back to Riva. Okay, and Riva after that, and Riva गोल सिर्फ अपने प्रोफेशनल के हिसाब से ही बनाती है कि उसको ये प्रमोशन चाहिए, इतने पैसे चाहिए, इतना ग्रो करना है, ये करना है. एंड वो बाकी सारे एस्पेक्ट्स अपने लाइफ को भूल जाती है. शी डजंट केयर अबाउट हर मेंटल हेल्थ, शी डजंट केयर अबाउट हर फिजिकल हेल्थ. वो सारी चीजें वो गोल्स बनाती ही नहीं है उसके लिए, जिसके वजह से halfway through the year the girl is burnt out, the girl is tired, she is defeated that she is not able to achieve her goals, and she gives up. Now let's bring in Vanya. Okay, Vanya also really wants to do well the next year, lekin she takes my advice and is very specific about her goals, and she makes sure कि वो पूरे 5 aspects of life को target करती है. She makes sure that she's tracking all of her habits. She makes a vision board, she goes on Pinterest, she takes out all these pictures, and she makes sure वो हर दिन सुबह उठ के 5 मिनट अपने vision board को देख के बस visualize करती है of her goals coming into reality. She doesn't listen to people who are saying कि अरे practical बन, your dreams are too big for you, क्या करेगी, look at your life, look at how you are. वो डेली हैबिट्स प्रैक्टिस करती है, एंड शी इज ऑलवेज एडजस्टिंग बाय रिफ्लेक्टिंग इन हर वीक एंड इन हर मंथ. सो Vanya, when she reaches the end of December of that year, the vision board is just like a medium, but she's already not only achieved so many things, but she's also living a more joyous, happy, sustainable life. So she wants to make goals for the next year again. Now it's your decision. Who do you want to be? You want to be a Riva or you want to be a Vanya? Chapter 4 is how to stay consistent. The number one advice I would like to give is get yourself an accountability partner. You have to find like-minded people who are also dreaming big things and who also believe in doing it in a consistent, structured manner, rather than saying life में जो होगा वो होगा बेड़ू है, हमको क्या करना है. That's not your group, by the way. So what you have to do is find an accountability partner. If you want, there is a WhatsApp community link that I have attached. You can make sure you click on it and join it, and how many ever of you join will have each other as your like-minded accountability partner. Isn't that amazing? The second thing which I also should be implementing next year is how to celebrate milestones. Because we are constantly running towards the next big goal, we don't celebrate our small wins enough. And our brain, if you're going to keep beating it by saying ki aur aage badh without actually giving it the appreciation it needs, wo in the end to thak jayega hi na. So you need to make sure that you are celebrating small wins by maybe taking yourself out on a solo date, buying yourself like a nice cake by saying ki, okay, I did this today, I got out of my comfort zone, I achieved this. Even if it's little, even if it's the fact that you just did yoga for 3 days in a week but you did not before, that's something to be celebrated about. I feel like we put a lot of pressure on hustling to get where you want to go by saying you shouldn't be lazy, but nobody really tells you to appreciate your small wins. Now we come to the next steps. अभी ये वीडियो आपने देख लिया, आपने नोट्स बना लिए, आगे क्या करना है? I'll tell you what I would do. Step one, I would actually go to the comment section of this video and type out one big goal that I'm looking to achieve in 2025. Why would I do that? Because no longer is the time कि हम छुप छुप के अपने goals खुद से ही करेंगे. You need to put things out in the universe so that you can match the frequency. So just be bold and just put your goals. It's a safe space. I have a safe community. So put your goals down there in the comments. The second would be to quickly join the WhatsApp community that I have spoken about, because you need an accountability partner, right? So that part is done. If you just join the community, there will be more people joining in eventually, and you will just all be able to share your goals and keep each other accountable. The third would be probably to buy the planners that I suggested, because planner mein sab cheeze, aapka habit and aapke dates and everything is combined. I've linked 2 planners. Make sure you go check them out and buy them or place the order. Next, I would write down my goals. I would open like a big notebook and मैं अपने goals को 5 section में divide करके लिखती. Then I would go to Pinterest and I would make sure I take out the most relevant pictures, and then I would go to Canva and I would use those pictures and customize them. Like I said, remember, TED Talk dena hai to take a picture of a woman giving a TED Talk and then Photoshop your face so that it becomes as real and as specific as possible for you to see. In fact, I'm planning to make my own vision board for 2025, of course. So if you would like that, please make sure you comment that you want to see my vision board and certain things that I do. I'm very happy to take you along. With that, we come to the end of this video, guys. If you think I do so many things, how do I do it? How is she so ambitious? How is she getting to places that she wants to get into? It's all because I do these steps, okay? So make sure you do them too. If you like this video, hit that like button, comment what you liked about it, and make sure you subscribe and share it with other ambitious people. It was a little long, I know, but it's going to be so worth it when you see your New Year's dreams come true. I wish so well for you, and I'm very excited for the next year, and I can't wait to take you all along for all the amazing things that are going to be coming. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.